Senior BJP leader and former Union Minister Dilip Rai met Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan on Tuesday, just a day before a crucial court hearing in a false affidavit case against him. The closed-door meeting at the minister's official residence has triggered fresh speculation about Rai's political future. The visit came within 24 hours of another high-profile meeting between Governor Raghubar Das and the same minister. With both meetings happening at the same location, questions are now being raised about deeper political maneuvers underway within the BJP in Odisha. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Rai downplayed any political angle. He said discussions focused on civic projects in Rourkela, including a long-awaited ring road, a glass bridge and a suspension bridge. He claimed the minister assured that work on one of the projects would begin before Durga Puja.
मोर राउरकेलार दुईटा बड़ कम था गोटे होता ग्लास ब्रिज गोटे झूला ब्रिज बेदव्यास और राउरकेला को कनेक्ट करने से विषय रे गोटे फाइनल डिस्कशन आनी जोटा मंत्री कहले जे बाय दुर्गा पूजा आगु तार फाउंडेशन देखी काम आरंभ करबा कथा सेटा कहले आ गोटे राउरकेला रे रिंग रोड हबो पूरा राउरकेला गोटे रिंग बंद हबो से विषय डिस्कशन अछंती कथाता हला से डाकी ऑफिसर मन को डाकी से विषय ए दुईटा काम पे मु आसी।